on the way to the last highest point, because then I was on every Canarian island on the highest point, or let's say almost the highest point, because over there is some huge military thing where we cannot go in, but this point over there is almost as high. I say it counts. Squadron de Vigilancia, eh? Woo! Windy up here! The last highest point! We just arrived in the Timanfaya National Park, where you have to pay 12 euros to get in. Let's hope it's worth it. We have like a lot of volcanoes and nice landscape, and my friends are doing a bus tour. I really don't want to do that. Unfortunately, it's like very limited what you can do. You cannot stop with the car, you cannot step out of the bus and nothing. Chicken made over hot rocks. Are the stones warm? Some warm stones from down there. Did the bus tour anyway, and after that bus tour I feel like an average Joe tourist. I will never do this. Yeah, that's what I said. The information was quite nice, and the Timanfaya National Park, if you think about it, all those rocks were lava or were created by lava. Quite impressive. Just the music in the bus is a bit too much. I want to visit the Lago Verde, but they are making a movie there, so it's forbidden for us to go there, but we will try to see it from another way. I'm not sure if this will work. Danke. The way is way further than we expected, and some of us are bare feet. So I tried another way. My friends didn't want to because it was quite a steep way up, and not 100% sure if it's worth it. But down there, the Lago Verde. Down there are all the camera people, but there's like nobody here. I don't know why it's closed. I walked on the other side. I was before there. Now I think the view is worth it. Now I have to go back. The other ones are waiting for me. I hope they don't get mad. Next and last stop, Playa de Papagayo. This is Playa del Papagayo, eh? It's quite beautiful, but also very touristic. I don't like that many tourists. We have to go. We have to catch a boat to Fuerteventura. So yeah, next time you see this. The sun will show the way. video, then subscribe to my channel, hit the notify button below, and I see you next time. Bye guys!
Teka! 9